China released DeepSeek R1, an advanced AI tool designed for deep data analysis that is an immediate rival to America's OpenAI.
In the past week, the world of artificial intelligence has been buzzing with massive developments and change. From groundbreaking new AI models to jaw-dropping breakthroughs in AI research, this past week has been a whirlwind of nonstop improvements. Join us as we dive into this massive AI week, summarized in just minutes. DeepSeek's R1 model shakes up the tech world. In January 2025, a new AI model called R1 was unveiled by a Chinese startup called DeepSeek. This innovative model, known for its remarkable abilities and affordable development, has captured the interest of many. Unlike other AI models that demand extensive computational resources, R1 by DeepSeek was created using only a fraction of the computing power typically needed for similar models, leading to a development cost of around $5.6 million. DeepSeek is known for its dedication to transparency. They have released their R1 model as open source, enabling people around the world to explore and expand upon its design. This level of openness has sparked a wave of interest in replicating and improving the model. Companies like Hugging Face are actively studying DeepSeek's methods in an effort to recreate the model quickly. DeepSeek's R1 model utilizes cutting-edge training techniques, such as extensive reinforcement learning and a unique mixture of experts' design. These strategies empower the model to excel in intricate cognitive tasks like solving mathematical problems and coding, comparable to top-tier AI systems. The unveiling of R1 has generated a lot of buzz in the tech world. Established AI pioneers in Silicon Valley are reassessing their plans, contemplating ways to reduce expenses, and investigating alternative methods to stay ahead.
OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, just unveiled a new tool that can produce detailed reports. It's called Deep Research. And the company says it uses reasoning to synthesize large amounts of complex data. They claim it can finish in-depth research in a fraction of the time it would take even the most knowledgeable human. That is a big sell.
OpenAI launches O3 Mini reasoning model. OpenAI introduced a new AI model named O3 Mini on January 31, 2025. This model is the most recent addition to their line of reasoning models. It was created by the company to enhance problem-solving abilities, specifically in coding and software development tasks. This release demonstrates OpenAI's commitment to advancing artificial intelligence and leading the way in the competitive AI industry. The O3 Mini model has been designed to improve the efficiency of handling complex reasoning tasks. Programmers can enhance their coding skills with this tool, as it offers suggestions, error detection, and solutions. It is a beneficial resource for developers aiming to enhance productivity and accuracy in their coding projects. The O3 Mini model stands out for its rapid information processing and comprehension of intricate commands. This enables it to efficiently address challenging tasks in a shorter amount of time when compared to previous versions. Furthermore, the model can enhance its performance over time through user interaction and feedback. NVIDIA's CEO meets with President Trump. At the beginning of 2025, Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, had a discussion with the U.S. President Donald Trump at the White House. NVIDIA is known for creating computer chips essential for AI technology. The meeting had been planned for weeks and revolved around AI policies, especially regarding competition from the Chinese AI company DeepSeek. DeepSeek has achieved major advancements in AI technology, creating sophisticated models at a fraction of what U.S. tech giants spend. This development has triggered worries within the U.S. government about preserving the country's dominance in AI. Consequently, talks have escalated regarding imposing stricter controls on exporting AI technology to nations such as China. President Trump and Mr. Huang discussed increasing restrictions on the export of AI chips to China at the meeting. The government is looking at ways to stop China from gaining more advanced AI technology to safeguard U.S. interests in this crucial area. NVIDIA has raised objections in the past regarding the widening AI chip constraints. The firm objected to the expansion of these restrictions to more than 100 nations, including Singapore, by the Biden administration.
because DeepSeek is such a fundamental change to the economics of what's going on. Now, there are still a whole bunch of unanswered questions, but 100%, the fact that they were able to train an AI model for a fraction of the cost of what OpenAI and Google and Anthropic and all the other big AI players are spending.
Chinese AI companies release advanced models ahead of Lunar New Year. As the Lunar New Year approached, Chinese artificial intelligence firms unveiled groundbreaking new models, showcasing remarkable advancements amidst ongoing limitations on U.S. chip technology. These innovations underscore China's commitment to maintaining a prominent position in the global AI competition and minimizing reliance on foreign tech. Leading the charge in this technological surge is DeepSeek, a rapidly expanding AI startup. By introducing an open-source image generation model, the company empowers developers and researchers to generate high-quality images based on textual descriptions. This strategic move aims to challenge the dominance of American companies in the image generation AI sector. In addition to DeepSeek's strides, other industry giants made significant revelations. Alibaba introduced its cutting-edge model, Qwen 2.5 to 1M, tailored for handling memory-intensive applications, particularly those involving extensive data processing like language translation and intricate business tasks. Likewise, Moonshot, an up-and-coming AI enterprise, launched Kimi 1.5, a model designed specifically for tackling intricate decision-making and reasoning assignments, expected to enhance smart assistants and advanced automation systems. These groundbreaking advancements have reignited investor curiosity in China's AI industry. This progress is occurring in the midst of challenges faced by Chinese tech firms due to restrictions on the import of advanced chips from the U.S. Nonetheless, the recent releases of AI technology highlight China's capacity to innovate and progress its tech sector autonomously. Meta considers halting development of high-risk AI systems. Meta, the umbrella corporation for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, has announced its intention to potentially halt the progress of specific high-level artificial intelligence projects due to concerns over their potential hazards. This move underscores the company's acknowledgement of the potential risks associated with AI technology and its effects on the world. Meta's disclosures signal a shift in the tech sector towards a more cautious approach to the development of AI. AI technology can accomplish tasks like identifying faces, making judgments, and producing innovative content. Nevertheless, complex AI systems may also carry dangers such as spreading false information, infringing on privacy, or making prejudiced judgments. The potential for unforeseen outcomes rises as AI continues to advance and gain more strength. Meta's choice is influenced by worries about ethical dilemmas and potential hazards. It is said that the company is reevaluating its current initiatives and could potentially terminate ones that pose significant risks. This decision demonstrates Meta's commitment to guaranteeing the safety and positive impact of its AI technologies on users and the community. Palantir CTO highlights U.S.-China AI competition. In the Q4 earnings call for Palantir Technologies, the company's chief technology officer, Shyam Sankar, discussed the increasing rivalry in artificial intelligence, AI, between the United States and China. Sankar described this competition as an intense AI arms race, in which both countries are striving to enhance their AI capabilities. He emphasized the swift advancements in AI, specifically in the creation of extensive language models. AI systems known as large language models have the ability to comprehend and produce text that resembles human language. They have become more accessible for development, leading to their utilization in various fields such as healthcare, finance, and government functions. Sankar pointed out that with the lowering cost and increasing ease of use of these models, their integration across different industries is becoming more prevalent. Palantir has established a strong presence in the field of AI by providing tools that enable businesses to effectively analyze huge volumes of data. In the last quarter, the company showed impressive financial performance, with a 75% rise in adjusted earnings and a 36% increase in revenue. These results surpassed the predictions of financial experts, demonstrating the rising interest in Palantir's AI-driven products and services. Apple's AI news summary system faces challenges. Apple recently encountered difficulties with its AI-driven news briefing service, known as Apple Intelligence. The service, created to offer users brief news updates, experienced significant problems when it started circulating inaccurate news notifications. A key issue was the dissemination of false reports concerning prominent individuals, resulting in widespread worry and disapproval. The mistakes resulted in a negative reaction from the public, prompting various news outlets, such as the BBC, to call for immediate steps to be taken. Apple Intelligence was reprimanded for not thoroughly checking the information before disseminating it to users. In reaction to the increasing demands, Apple opted to halt the service temporarily in order to address the issue and enhance it. The challenges that tech companies encounter with using AI for news content are emphasized by this incident. Even though AI can rapidly analyze a vast amount of data, it is unable to comprehend the context or confirm the accuracy of intricate news stories completely. Consequently, there is a risk of disseminating false information, causing harm to reputations and leading the public astray. Apple is said to be focusing on enhancing the system's capability to verify news content in order to tackle these obstacles. The tech giant intends to implement increased human supervision to guarantee the accuracy and credibility of news alerts. This step is anticipated to minimize mistakes and rebuild the confidence of the audience in the platform. AI's growing role in search engines. AI is revolutionizing the way search engines function, streamlining the process of finding information online. In the past, search engines primarily focused on matching keywords to generate results. But now, thanks to AI, they can comprehend the context and intent behind a user's search query, resulting in more precise and relevant responses. A significant development in this field is the integration of natural language processing, NLP, which enables search engines to understand the intricacies of human language, allowing them to interpret complex queries more effectively. With NLP, search engines can now grasp the meaning behind the words and provide answers that align better with what the user is looking for. Another crucial aspect of this transformation is machine learning, ML. By analyzing vast amounts of data, ML algorithms can identify patterns in user behavior, helping anticipate what information would be most valuable to a user based on their past searches and interactions. This enables search engines to offer personalized suggestions, enhancing the search experience to cater to individual needs more efficiently. Many AI-powered search engines have emerged, offering distinctive features to improve user experience. Some platforms enable real-time interactions, allowing users to ask follow-up questions and receive instant responses, while others focus on delivering personalized content by understanding user preferences and search history. These innovations aim to expedite information retrieval, making it more intuitive and tailored to users' genuine interests. Aside from enhancing search results, AI is also being employed to aid users in other aspects, such as Google's Ask For Me feature. This feature leverages AI to make phone calls to businesses on behalf of users, initially targeting services like nail salons and car repair shops. Ask For Me gathers relevant information and handles the booking process, simplifying appointment scheduling for users. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.